everybody, welcome back. It's Rich over Far From Dead. Another shop rollout video. There we go. We got Jack ripping and romping back there. It's a beautiful 66 T-Bird. She came in not running right, not sure what was going on. A little diagnostics, a little love. You know, like most things, start with spark and fuel and see where she goes with that. But you know, beautiful, beautiful car. She's all original, 390 FE car. Really nice. Oh, I hate you, Milo. Jesus Christ. And over here is my dually. All open and wacky. Show you my new controller. Check this shit out. Got a new remote. Whoa, crap! Almost flipped my wheelchair. Oh, I got a new remote for my my hoist. But that's really cool. Gotta love that shit because I keep breaking it. I had the wired one, and when I would open and close the door, I you know, don't pay attention where the hell I had it, and I would smash it with the hydraulics inside the door, and then I'd have no way to get my wheelchair out of the bed, and I'd be stranded because I'm you know, I'm a little slow like that. And then over here, of course, we got the green truck. That's C15 97. She was a 6-banger. I'll give you a better view of her, actually. Hold on, let me adjust this. There you go. She was a 6-cylinder. Now she's an LS 6-liter with a cam, freshly rebuilt, 4L80 swap, HP tuners, LS ECU. She's a pretty badass ride. Pretty badass. Air ride's all fresh. She was an air ride truck from many years ago, but now everything's new. Over here is a work truck that we've been working on. It's old F-150. She's a 300 engine that she'll be all redone soon enough. Oh man, my spasms are all wacky. Sorry about that. So we'll have that work truck all buttoned up soon. I'm gonna make our way over this way. See what we got going on over here. Here we got the 64, 65 vet, whatever the hell she is. I can't remember. They're all the same. And she's got that big block Chevy going in. That's a 496 car. But getting parts for these old vets is time consuming. You know, between Corvette Central, Zip, and who the hell else? Top Flight. Top Flight's a pain in the neck. Step up, Top Flight. You don't answer your emails. And there's the Galaxy we're working on, and of course the Godzilla swap Fox body. And in the back, walking around, there's Frankie and Dave and Brandon, and I see Joey and Timmy and Billy. Only the Gen X's will get that joke, but whatever. If you don't get it, Google it. But so that's about to wrap up this week. It's just past 2 weeks have been grueling. Trying to get parts in, trying to deal with the weather, trying to deal with the BS. Logistics. It's like every time I think I'm getting a part today, I get it tomorrow. Every time I think I'm getting a part tomorrow, definitely not getting it today. So stay tuned. Keep watching. And hopefully next time I'll have some good updates and some rowdy engines to be ripping on. And definitely should have some dyno tuning going on this week. See you soon.